Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rajesh IT World. Today we are discussing about a new chapter that is regarding bput, BSc, utkal, ravenshaw, all universities. That that is constructor in C++. Before we start our class, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Let's start. Constructor. What is constructor? Constructor in C++. Constructor means it is a special method or function. Class name and method name are same. When an object is created, constructor automatically calls. User has not to make a separate call. Other way, we can say constructor is used to allocate memory. As we know that constructor is a special method or a function. The class name and the constructor name or method name always be same. When we call the object, when we create the object, it will call automatically. We don't have to make a call or separate call. Other way, we can say constructor is used to allocate memory. Then syntax, class name, name. Here name and name will be same. The first one is class name, second one is constructor. For an example, class Rajesh IT World. Here Rajesh IT World is the constructor. Types of constructor: default constructor, parameterized constructor, overloaded constructor, copy constructor. First we start default constructor. Before we start default constructor, please subscribe my channel, like and press the bell icon for latest videos. What is default constructor? Default constructor means when object is created, constructor automatically called the value. It store or display through constructor known as default value. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ऑब्जेक्ट को क्रिएट करेबा ऑटोमेटिकली वैल्यूटा कॉल हबो कौन हबो इट स्टोर और डिस्प्ले थ्रू constructor. It store or display as default value and the constructor called default constructor. Here the syntax, class name, name. Here name is the constructor. We have an example of default constructor. Has include iostream.h, that is the header file. Has include conio.h for input output header file. Class Rajesh IT World. Public Rajesh IT World. First we have created the class. Second one we have created the method. Here we have a message: welcome to my channel Rajesh IT World. Like, share and subscribe. Then we close the constructor. Main function, clear screen, CLR clear screen. Rajesh IT World object gets yes. Here when we call the object to the class, the constructor will automatically call and display the result that welcome to my channel Rajesh IT World. Like, share and subscribe. Then go to parameterized constructor. What is parameterized constructor? When argument are passed during object creation of constructor known as parameterized constructor. That means when an argument are passed during object creation. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ object create ସମୟରେ ଯଦି କିଛି argument pass କରୁଥିବା, that is known as parameterized constructor. Syntax, class name, name, argument 1, argument 2. Then go to the example. Here class Rajesh IT World, public int x char y. Class is the first class Rajesh IT World is the class. Second the constructor Rajesh IT World. Here the argument int xx, int char yy. Here x equal to xx, y equal to yy. That means that class value are same as the constructor argument. We have display cout x and y. Then go to main function Rajesh IT world object, then the result 100a. When the program will run, it will call the class and the constructor will automatically call up. The result is 100 and a. Then go to the overloaded constructor. When name of the constructor is same but parameter is different, known as overloaded constructor. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟର ନାଁ ସେମ୍ ଥିବ, କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେମ୍ ଯାହା ଥିବ, କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟର ନାଁ ବି ସେଇଆ ଥିବ, ବଟ୍ ଦ ପାରାମିଟର ଇଜ୍ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ନୋନ୍ ଆଜ୍ ଓଭରଲୋଡ୍. ତା ପାରାମିଟରଟା ଅଲଗା ଥିବ, ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିବା ଓଭରଲୋଡେଡ୍ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଟର. କ୍ଲାସ୍ ନେମ୍ args1, name args argument 1 and 2. Let's hear an example. First one was header file, then class Rajesh IT world, public index char y. Then first one is constructor Rajesh IT world, index x equal to double x cout x. आमे कौन कले ना गोटे इंटीजर x डिक्लेयर कले, गोटे कैरेक्टर y डिक्लेयर कले. फर्स्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर आमे कौन कले x टा ए कंस्ट्रक्टर x x सहित इक्वल कर देले. आमे कंस्ट्रक्टर जहाँ भी वैल्यू दबा आमर सेटा क्लास रे भी सेटा आमर सेम वैल्यूटा स्टोर हेबो. आमे x को डिस्प्ले करेले. सेकंड वन इज again constructor char y equal to double y. Then one single constructor, single class having both constructor, that is constructor overload. Y equal to yy cout y display. Main function first one, the first constructor we call object 1 where we pass the value 100. Second constructor we pass the value a character, then display result display. Here the output is 100 and a. Then go to the copy constructor. What is copy constructor? By the help of constructor we can copy one object to another is known as copy constructor. Copy constructor कले कौन बुझुचंती, आमे constructor रा साहाय्य नेकी गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट को आउ गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट को आमे कॉपी करि परिबा. दैट इज कॉपी कंस्ट्रक्टर. क्लास नेम हियर द एड्रेस नेम एड्रेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट जोठी कि आमे कॉपी करिबा दैट तार एड्रेस टा सिटी दरकार. गो फॉर एन एग्जांपल. हियर फर्स्ट वन इज द हेडर फाइल क्लास राजेश IT वर्ल्ड, पब्लिक इंडेक्स. आमे कौन कले गोटे क्लास कले जो कि गोटे एक्स गोटे इंटीजर टाइप रो एक्स को आमे डिक्लेयर कले. हियर राजेश IT वर्ल्ड इंट डबल एक्स आउ गोटे इंटीजर वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कले इंटीजर टाइप रो दैट इज डबल एक्स. एक्स इक्वल टू डबल एक्स, क्लास एक्स इक्वल टू कंस्ट्रक्टर एक्स. जेतेबेले आमे एठी काकू आमे तो एठी क्लास को कॉल करिबा ऑटोमेटिकली कंस्ट्रक्टरटा कॉल हो जिवो. देन हियर राजेश IT वर्ल्ड इक्वल राजेश IT वर्ल्ड and object and is known as address operator where object रो address टा को होल्ड कर रखिबो. x equal to ob.x void display cout x स्पेस. एटा में कौन करले ना क्लास को बंद कर देले. देन मेन फंक्शन राजेश IT वर्ल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट 1 10 राजेश IT वर्ल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट 2 ऑब्जेक्ट 1. द सेकेंड रे आमे ऑब्जेक्ट 2 थ्रो रे आमे ऑब्जेक्ट 1 को कॉल करेले. when we display the result ob.display it will display the 10. when we call ob2.display it will also be 10 because we have declared that x equal to xx in constructor and the second constructor we have called its address. So both value are 10 and 10. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.